In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize screen size in Mozilla Thunderbird. If the text in your inbox feels cramped or too large, a quick tune-up can make Thunderbird easier on your eyes and help more messages fit on the screen. We'll do that by adjusting two built-in controls: interface density, which changes how tightly items are spaced, and font size, which changes how big the text appears. These tweaks don't alter your email content, they simply affect how Thunderbird presents it on your display. Start by opening Thunderbird on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mail. The exact look can vary slightly between versions, but the controls you need are in the same general place, so you'll be able to follow along without trouble. Look to the top right corner of the Thunderbird window for the main menu button. It's the icon with three horizontal lines. Click it once to open the menu. This is your hub for quick appearance changes, and using it means you won't have to dig through deeper settings. In the menu, find the density option. This setting controls the spacing around folders, message rows, and buttons. Choose a tighter option if you want to see more emails at once, or a roomier option if you prefer extra breathing space between items. As you change density, watch the message list and folder pane update immediately. If you're on a small laptop screen, a compact choice usually makes the best use of space. If you're on a large monitor or using a touch device, a more comfortable density can make clicking and tapping more accurate. Next, locate the font size control in that same menu. Move the slider or pick the size that feels best for your eyes. Increasing the font size helps readability across the folder list, message list, and most interface text. Decreasing it fits more information on screen. Aim for a size that lets you read subject lines and sender names at a glance without squinting, but doesn't cause lines to wrap awkwardly. Most changes take effect right away, so adjust a step at a time and see how it looks before moving on. Take a moment to scan your inbox, open a message, and verify that both density and text size feel balanced. You can revisit the menu anytime to fine-tune or return to the default options. Thunderbird remembers your choices automatically, so the layout will stay consistent the next time you open it. That's all you need to customize screen size in Thunderbird using density and font size. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable inbox.